All right, a couple things before we get started here. I am by no means an expert when it comes to pressure washers. I do mainly computer stuff and technology stuff on this channel, as you know. All right, so a couple things you will need before we get started. You will need a hose. It does not come with the hose, inlet water hose. You will need probably a screwdriver set, specifically a Phillips head screwdriver. You will probably need an extension cord. Now, for some reason, it says do not use an extension cord with this product. I'm not really sure why. Those of you who are electricians, please let me know. And finally, I like to use silicone spray to spray on all the connections just to keep the connections lubricated and the rubber seals, O-rings lubricated. For some people, I've seen people use paste. That might be better. I've been so used to a spray, I like a spray. So let's get started. All right, so this is the Portland pressure washer. There will be links for all of this below in the show notes. So I wanted something small. It seemed like it would be simple to use, lightweight, and this one seemed to fit the bill. So I bought this one. Okay, so I did this in my garage. The lighting isn't quite perfect. Sorry about that. I don't want to unpack this outside in the sun. It was hot. It was really, really hot. 90 degrees and like 6,000% humidity. So yeah. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what we have here. The box itself, all the containers or all the stuff it contains is not that heavy. Make sure you read the manual. I know most of us don't. Yeah, read the manual. A soap dispenser that actually works pretty good after I pressure wash my cement. Yeah, it's all right. So there's the handle. There's another clip-on. I guess that's a hose holder there. I don't really use that. Now let's see what else we have here. All right, of course, the handle. And you can see at the bottom there's a locking clip for the hose. All right, that's the second part of the handle that screws into the main handle with the trigger. It does have an adjustable end to that handle where you can go from a wide, lightweight fan mist to a jet wash, pressure wash for cement. It does come with a 20-foot cord for the handle. All right, so nice green color, I suppose. The AC cord does come permanently attached, or the AC power supply cord does come permanently attached. There is an on-off switch in the front, as you saw. That's the inlet port there. Overall, very lightweight. There's the screws I needed, and that needle thing there, I'm assuming that's to clean out the ports, the exit ports, water holes at the end of the handle. Again, read the manual. I haven't read it yet. All right, so it's very, very lightweight. Okay, so there's a little clip on there. Just, slides in and off. All right, screwing on the handle. Again, it's 4 screws. And it looks just like that. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, of course. Now, one thing I noticed after doing this, the 2 holes there at the bottom go way in deep, and the screwdriver I had was a little bit too short. It was maybe like a ½ an inch too short, just to let you guys know. Again, I like to spray everything that gets screwed on just to keep it well lubricated. I've seen, like I said, some people use paste. That's probably better, but I've been so used to a spray. And then you connect 2 pieces together, just like that, for the handle. And you can just slide it in right there in the slot. And there's the 2 slots there. Once you unscrew the handle, both pieces go right there. All right, so this is really a before and after. It's really not bad for the low amount of money that I paid for it. Kind of like there it was black and there it is nice and clean. This is the back porch. This was really, really freaking nasty. Really nasty. Before and after. Does it work? I think so. It didn't really take that long. The 750 rating on this thing I thought was fine. So yeah, I think if you're looking for something lightweight and relatively inexpensive, I think this is the one to go with. Now the question is, how long will it last? I have no idea. This is my first one. So you guys who may have more experience with these things, please let me know. Maybe there's a better one out there you recommend. Maybe I did something wrong. Please let me know. But really, in a brief nutshell, that's all there is to it. They're very simple to assemble. Residential pressure washer. I don't think something like this would be strong enough, I think, for commercial use. All right, post your comments below. Let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Arrivederci.